Namaste, I Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's topic is concept of health. So I have already told you the concept of health. The health is evolved over the countries and country as the concept from the individual concern to the worldwide social goal and encompasses of the whole quality of the life. Changing the concepts of the health till now the biomedical concept, ecological concept, physiological and holistic concept. So starting from the biomedical concept, traditionally health has been viewed as the absence of the diseases, and if one was free from the diseases then the person is considered healthy. The concept on the basis of the germ theory of the diseases, the medical profession viewed the human body as a machine. Diseases are as a consequences of the breakdown of the machine. One of the doctor's task as repair of the medicine. So next concept is ecological concept. From the ecological point of view, health is viewed as a dynamic equilibrium between the human beings and the environment, and the diseases as maladjustment of the human organism to the environment. According to the Dubois, health implies the relative absence of the pain and discomfort and the continuous adaptation and adjustment to the environment to ensure the optimal function. The ecological concept rises two tissues, that is imperfect man and imperfect environment. So next is physiological concept. According to the physiological concept, health is not only biomedical phenomenon but is influenced by the social, physiological, culture, economical and political factor of the people concerned. Right. Next is holistic concept. This concept is the synthesis of above concepts like physiological, biomedical. It recognizes the strength of the social, economic, political and environmental influences on the health. It describes health as a unified and multi-dimensional process involving the well-being of whole person in context of the environment. So after this different concept, holistic concept, physiological concept, biomedical concept, etc. Let's define the health. So what is health? The condition of the being sound in the body, mind, spirit, especially freedom from the physical diseases or pain. This is health. Oxford English Dictionary defines the health as soundness of the body or mind, that condition in which it are duly and efficiently discharged. And different have the definition of different from the different concept. Like WHO defined, World Health Organization defined the health, that health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of diseases and infirmity. That is according to WHO, World Health Organization. In the recent year, this definition has been amplified to include the ability to lead socially, economically productive life, right? Next concept of the definition of the health is the WHO definition of the health has been criticized as being too broad. Some argue that cannot be defined as the state. We cannot say that state at all, but must seen as process of the continuous adjustment to the changing in demand of the living and the changing meaning we give the life. It is dynamic concept which help the people live well, work well and enjoy themselves. It refers to the situation that may exist in some individual but not in everyone at all the time, right? It is not usually observed in the group of human beings and in communities. Some consider if the irrelevant of the everyday demand as nobody qualifies as healthy, that is the perfect biological, physiological, social functioning, that is if we accept the WHO criteria or WHO definition, we all are safe, right? Or operational definition of the health is that the WHO definition of health is not a operational definition, right? Because of that is it does not lend itself to direct measurement. Such studies of epidemiology in health has been hampered because of our inability to measure the health and well-being activity. Operational definitions, like if we talk about the broad sense, health can be seen as a condition or a quality of human organism expressing the adequate functioning of the organism in a given condition, generic or environmental. If we talk about the narrow sense, there is no obvious evidence of the diseases that a person is functioning normally. Several organs of the body are functioning adequately in themselves and in relation to others, which implies a kind of equilibrium or homeostasis. New philosophy of the health is like health is a fundamental human right, health is essence of the productive life, health is intersectoral, health is integral part of the development, health is central to quality of life, health evolves individual state and internationally responsibility. Health and its maintenance is major social investment. Health is worldwide social goal. Health is multidimensional. According to WHO, it explains that the health in three-dimensional: physical, mental, social and spiritual. Besides these, many more may be cited, that the emotional, vocational, political, physiological, cultural, social, economical, environmental, educational, nutritional, curative and preventive. So first we talk about the different dimension. Like first is physical dimension. Physical dimension view health from the physiological perspective, like it conceptualizes the health, that is the biological state in which each and every organ, even the cell, is functioning in their optimum capacity and in the perfect harmony with the rest of the body. Physical health can be assessed at the community level by the measurement and morbidity and mortality rate. Mental dimensions, the ability to think clearly and coherently. This deals with the sound socialization in community. Mental health is a state of balance between the individual and the surrounding world, a state of harmony between oneself and other coexistence between the relative and the self. Mental dimension, ability to think clearly, coherently. This deals with the sound socialization in community. Mental health is the state of balance between the individual and the surrounding world, a state of harmony between ourselves and others, oneself and others, coexisting between the relatives and the self, that the other people, that one of the environment. Mental health is merely the absence of the mental health, illness or health. What is the features of the mentally healthy person? Healthy person, what are the features? Free from the internal conflicts, well adjusted in the external environment, searches for one identity, strong self of the self-esteemed, knows himself, his mind, problems and goals, have good self-control and balance, faces problem and tries to solve them intellectually. Social dimensions. It refers the ability to make and maintain the relationship with the other people in community. It states that harmony and integration within and between each other and other members of the society. Social dimension of the health include the level of social skill, one possessive social functioning, and the ability to see oneself as the member of the large society. Next is spiritual dimension. Spiritual health is connected with the religious belief and practices. It also deals with the personal creed, principle of the behavior and the ways of achieving peace of mind and being at peace with oneself. It is intangible, something that is transcends physiological and psychological. It includes integrity principles and ethics, the purpose of the life, commitment of some health, being belief in concepts that are not subject to state-of-art explanations. Webster defined the disease a condition which body health is impaired, a departure from state of health, an alteration of the human body interrupting the performance of vital functions. Oxford English Dictionary defined the disease a condition of the body and some part of the organ of the body in which its functions are disturbed and rearranged. So the concepts, there are different concepts. Ecological point of view, disease is defined as maladjusted of the human organism to the environment. The simplest definition of the disease is just the opposite to the health, that is any deviation from the normal functioning or the state or complete physical or mental well-being. Distinctions between the health, illness and sickness. The term disease literally means without ease or without easiness. When something is wrong with bodily function, illness refers to the presence of the specific disease and also the individual perceptions and behavior is response to the disease as well as impact of the disease on the physiological environment. Sickness refers to the state of social dysfunction. So what is the distinction between the disease, illness and sickness? Disease is a physiological and psychological dysfunction. Illness is a subjective state of the person who feel aware or not being well. Sickness is a state of social dysfunction, that is a role that individual assume when ill or sickness role. Concept of the well-being, well-being of an individual, group of individuals have the several concepts and has been expressed in the various ways such as standard of the living, level of the living, quality of the living. That is the concepts of the living. What is the standard of the living? Income and occupation, standard of the housing, sanitization and nutrition, the level of the provisions of health, educational, recreational and other services also be used individually as measure of the socio-economic status and collectively as an index of the standard of living. What is the level of the living? It consists of 9 components: health, food, consumption, education, occupational, working condition, housing, social security, clothing, recreations and leisures, human rights. The objective characteristics to believe the influence of well-being is considered that the health is the most important component of the level of living because its impairment always means impairment of the living of the level of the living. What is the quality of life? The condition of the life resulting from the combination of the effect of the complete range of the factors such as those determining health, happiness, including the comfort of the physical, environmental and satisfying education, social, intellectual attainment, freedom of action, justice and freedom of expression in WHO 1976. The quality of life, the composite measure of the physical, mental, social well-being as perceived by each individual or by group of individuals, that is to say, the happiness, satisfactions and gratification as it is expressed in such life concerned as health, marriage, family work, financial health, marriage, educational opportunities, self-esteem, creativity, belongingness, and trust of others. So that is all about this topic. We will continue this topic in the next lecture. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any query, just come.